end this tutorial, I would like to show you how to use scripter in Krita. So for example, we will create one simple script. So first we will select our image. So I go to select and I click on select all. After that, this image will be successfully selected. So I will add a simple script that will let us to unselect this image. To do it, I need to go to tools and then I need to go to scripts. And here we have scripter. I need to open it. And now I type here this one script. It will let us to unselect image in Krita. So if we want to run this script, we need to click on this one option or use shortcut from keyboard Ctrl R. So I click here and how you see our image has been successfully deselected. So now we can close this window and we can continue to edit our project. So it is really helpful option that I recommend you to test. It will let you to create scripts in Krita and they may really save your time. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.